Hello and welcome. This is an easy do-it-yourself dollhouse 1/12 scale project to make and decorate miniature cakes using oven-baked clay, acrylic paint, and paper. Materials are listed below. To condition the clay by hand, cut off a small portion, roll into a ball, roll into a log, fold together, flatten, press, roll back into a ball, repeat. 5 to 8 minutes. Read your package for instructions. Dust the cake molds with cornstarch if needed. Firmly press clay into the molds. Flip mold over, press flat. Remove any excess clay. Do the same for the small cake tart. Add the ball to the muffin tin with a semicircle on top. Texture those two cakes with a brush and pin. Bake cakes following the package instructions. I'm baking the small cake and the muffins for 15 minutes and the bundt cake for 23 minutes based on the thickness. Use craft knife to carve out the center of the bundt cake. Then paint all cakes brown. Let dry. Add pinpricks to the cake. To apply the icing to the top of the bundt cake, use a cream-colored acrylic paint. Make cross patterns on each side across from each other and go about halfway down the sides of the cake. Apply several coats. Dry in between. Just kind of go around and look, fill in the blanks. Make pointy edges if you can. Let dry. Wrap a paper towel around your finger to gently buff in circles the cream-colored icing into a shine. Add more pinpricks to the brown cake areas if needed. Use paper punches for the flowers and leaves or buy them pre-punched. Then use the stylus and foam piece to gently curl slightly the leaves and flower edges. Place leaves on the easy release tape. Add glue to the centers, then place a flower on top. Use tweezers to fold star tips toward the center. For the bundt cake, use 6 green leaves and 6 flowers and glue to the top of the cake. For the orange blossom muffins, use 1 leaf, 1 flower, and paint an orange dot in the center. Also paint cream around the muffin base. For the small sunflower cakes, glue 2 flowers together with 7 leaves glued around the back. Add dark brown artificial snow bits to the center. I hope you like and share this video of miniature cakes. Thank you so much for watching.